Here's the abandoned church's chicken. Here in Lebo, Georgia. Churchy. So the sign's still there. Nope. Vape Town is still there. Avis car rental still there. There's a Goodies Cafe still there. This smoothie shop still there. It's got a door there. It's got an open sign still there. So I took the chicken. So I took the church's chicken down, and I took the CBD down. See it here. See it. Oh, they took the sign down and put a Vape Town sign. Look, this is brand new. Put a sign there. Just check it down. Oh, look at that. It's an old cell phone store. It's got old open sign. They took it down there, man. So I took the cell phone metro sign down, and they put the CBD sign. Before they took down the CBD sign, it's now Vape Town. Hope you guys enjoy it. So sign up. Bye bye.